Okay, Jaguar E-Pace service reset, service reminder reset, or service interval reset on a Jaguar E-Pace. This is a 2018 model, so same for probably 16, 17, 18, 19. We're starting bonnet closed, doors closed. First thing we're going to do is ignition on, so just press our start button without pressing the brake. Then we are going to open the bonnet over there on the passenger side. Then we're going to open the driver's door. Then we're going foot on the brake, hold that, and then put foot on the accelerator. Hold both of them down for 10 seconds. Okay, you'll get this message. You just want to wait for it to go through to that counter reset, and then ignition off. Okay, and then we can just restart and make sure that that reminder is gone. So we get the message for bonnet open, it's our seat belts, and then it goes back to bonnet open. So that service message is now gone. So that is how you reset the service message or service reminder on a Jaguar E-Pace 2018, 2019, maybe even 2020, 2017. Around that sort of period, if you get this dash, that will be how you reset it. Okay, I hope that has helped you out today. Don't forget to click the like button and also click the subscribe while you're there. We've got a bunch of diagnostic solutions and tips and tricks for professional mechanics like ourselves, and also for the serious DIYs at home. So click that subscribe and the bell so you get notified, and we will see you in the next video.